Coreway. I have failed in my oath-sworn duty. Conversation initiated. Even with a novice rider, this Stormrook will reduce those spiders to ash. They are retreating. Well executed, Outlander. Now, I believe you and your friends have much to discuss. We protect the people of the Isle. Be vigilant. Do you require...
We brought the Nerubians here.
No, the Nerubians were focused on the Coreway. The attack was another part of Xal'atath's scheme.
Azeroth calls.
So much chaos and destruction.
We have to regroup. Has anyone seen Khadgar?
No.
We will grieve him in time. But Thrall is right. Without reinforcements, we're at Xal'atath's mercy. But no matter what she's planning, we must stop her.
Jaina and I will rally the Alliance and the Horde. But it will take some time for us to sail back here.
Right. In the meantime, we'll stay here and keep the survivors safe.
You will. Not me.
Illyria, we need your...
No, you don't. I can't keep anyone safe. But I can hunt down Xal'atath. And make her pay.
We will be back. And we will be ready.
I will check on my people, the Oathsworn, while you clear the rubble. Edicts guide you.
Edict, Oathsworn.
Communication initiated.
Moss grow over us. Survivors from the beach?
If they are truly allies, perhaps all is not lost. It was Odin. I knew him. His memory will be preserved. Please deposit his memory gem into the Archive's repository.
So, the Archive holds every Earthen's memories? Can you view them?
Dagran, this may be a solemn ritual for them.
His query is valid. Yes, but the archive has been inaccessible for thousands of years. What is your query? Thank you. Keep the device. You may find use of it if you find more memory gems.
Dagran, this seems like a place you'd be keen to explore. I'll be back for you when I know it's safe.
Resuming work cycle.
The entire Isle is under attack. Praise the Titans, you are safe, Meyrand. Were it not for the Storm Riders, the city may have fallen. We need the Council's direction.
Beds are scarce. We have resorted to using the proscenium as a field hospital.
So many injured.
The answers are here. I can feel it.
I'm not about to leave the Isle of Dorne unexplored. I have a reputation to uphold.
I have calibrated my prices to be reasonable. Return and peruse my inventory.
Conversation initiated. Go where the edicts lead. The edicts must be followed. The Titans uplifted 4 wards. The Council Ward, the Storm Ward, the Stone Ward, and the High Speaker. To keep the edicts and build the Coreway and its fortress, Dornegal. But the Titans left, and the machines stopped. The Unbound abandoned the edicts, and the High Speaker retreated to the Ringing Deeps. And now, the machine speakers are cut off from us, and we have no means to fix the Coreway. I bid you...
Then it seems long past time you stood united. We need to find this Edelgone, rebuild ye Coreway. I'm willing to be a liaison, if ye be willing to speak with her.
You are correct. Storm Ward, new directive.
If Merrick's wasn't Council Ward, I would have never agreed to do this. You do not grasp the magnitude of her betrayal, Outlander. I have no hope for our success.
Well, this should be interesting.
Come on, Ebona. Stay with me. Personal directive. Prioritize the wounded. We cannot fight if unidentified
Another survivor from the crash?
I'm Moira, of the Dark Iron and Bronzebeard.
Baelgrim.
Stone Ward?
I am not the Stone Ward. You know that.
I know you abandoned your post.
And you abandoned us.
The Coreway was attacked. It must be repaired.
We were attacked too. You should have protected...
I can see there is some history between you. But if you haven't noticed, the Nerubians have you both in their sights. You need each other, age-old drama or not.
Conversation initiated.
This is a waste of cycles. I will go to the quarry myself.
Then you'll be the first Storm Rider it's seen for centuries.
Take that, you crawling creeps! Won't get the best of me!
Inquiring minds,
Let's stock up on supplies before we head in.
Loads of forgotten knowledge are within our grasp.
All right, let's do this. Through here.